On today's video, we're going to be working on this tub drain. Now, a lot of times what happens with these tub drains, as you can see here, the T eventually breaks. And you can see that's just due to corrosion. Now, there are different tools that you can purchase to remove the old existing tub drain. However, I have had multiple comments from different viewers who address the issue of the difficulty of removing the old tub drain, even using different tools. Here, what I've come to realize, especially on my channel, is there are a lot of elderly individuals who don't have the strength or don't have the funds available to call somebody to do this job for them. Now, I was able to find a new product on the market made by Watco, and basically what this does is you put glue here on the inside and you basically just set it right on top and let it dry. Now, you do have to prep it, and you can see here the instructions are pretty basic. Because of the corrosion, you do want to sand down the old tub drain. Doesn't have to be perfect, you just want a nice clean surface. Once you do that, you're going to apply a bead of the adhesive around the old tub drain. Once you apply the adhesive, go ahead and put the new tub drain in. Just make sure it's nice and centered, and then you're just going to press gently and firmly on top to allow it to settle. Now here, if you look at the instructions, it says allow 3 hours of drying time before use. It's a fairly simple solution to a common problem. And if you do experience issues in not having the right tools or not having the ability to remove the existing tub drain, then this would be another solution. If this video was a help, if it was informational, please subscribe.